Hi everybody, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today we're going to learn coral stitch. Okay, for coral stitch we're going to start from the back. We're making a line stitch that has knots in it. So what we're going to do is pull our thread to the left, and we are going to pick up a little bit of fabric underneath the thread right where we want that knot to be. And then pulling it through, you are going to create a little knot. And there you have it. Then you'll continue, and then everywhere that you want your little knots to appear, you just pick up a little fabric underneath that thread. I'll move the thread so you can see it a little better. And put the thread back because that's where it belongs. You want to make sure that it goes under the thread, and then as you pull it up, that it's over this next piece of thread. So it goes under the thread on the line and over the thread just to create a knot through the loop, and you are going to want to pull it to the left, and that creates that little knot. You're going to just put your thread back in and knot it on the back. And I'm going to go ahead and do this one. If you are left-handed, you might want to go left to right, right-handed right to left. So let's give it a shot. I think this is going to be a little bit trickier, but you'll still get the idea. Because I'm right-handed. But it definitely still works this way. You just have to make sure that you wrap that thread around your needle so that you have a loop that you're pulling your thread through so that it creates that knot, just going in the opposite direction. See here, if you've pulled your thread through and you have this loop, you can just pick that up with your needle. Pull it nice and tight to create the knot, and then you're going to just put your thread back through to finalize that stitch and knot it on the back. And that is your coral stitch.